How to remove theme on Facebook Messenger. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Messenger app and make sure that you're logged in. Once you tap on the app, it will open up. And from here, you're going to have to select the chat where you want to remove your theme. So tap on the chat. As you can see, I have the sky theme enabled on this chat. Now, if you want to remove it, it will look something like this. So if I just tap on any of other uh, chats right here, it also has a car theme. Here, if I tap on this one, as you can see, it does not have any theme. So when you remove your theme, it should look something like this. Now, in this case, what you want to do is tap on the chat, and at the top right, you'll see the I button. Go to chat info, and once you get here, tap on themes. Now from here, a bunch of themes will appear on your screen. So here are something that have been provided by Messenger. So you could use any of these themes, but if you want to remove it and make it back to the original theme, scroll down all the way until you find these colored themes. And once you scroll all the way to the bottom, here you'll find the default theme. Just tap on it and it will show you the preview of how it will look. You could also do this classic theme where it does not have the gradient, but the default one is this. If you tap on default, it will show you the preview. Now just tap on select at the bottom, and now the theme has been changed. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.